half of any job is having the right tool. I'm filming this video on August 22nd, which is my father's birthday. My father had such an enormous impact in my life. Growing up on the farm, I used to love to ride around with him on the tractor and follow him to see what he was doing. And many times he would show me something he was doing, like taking something out of the junk pile and duct taping it or baling wiring it or something in order to make it work, because he didn't have enough money to buy the tool that he would have preferred. And out of that he would say, half of any job is having the right tool. Well, in Productive Environment Institute, we've adapted that many, many times, but we've changed it slightly to say half of any job is using the right tool. I am so appreciative of the heritage that I got from my father growing up on the farm. I didn't always appreciate it at the time. Sometimes I thought he was mean and didn't always appreciate the way I wanted to do things, but now I realize the wisdom that he had to offer. And he was a very godly man. I never heard him say anything bad about anyone else. He was always willing to help people, and he often did it when nobody knew that he was doing it. And he set a wonderful example for us. I know that his life wasn't always the way he wanted it to be, but he always had a faith that it was going to turn out. And one of the things that he used to say was when something would go wrong on the farm, he would say, we don't have to worry as long as the troubles are in the barn, because then he knew that it would eventually work itself out. And actually that's the way it is for all of us. There are things that seem so terrible at the time, but then later on we realize that God has used whatever it is that happened for our good. Some of those things we may not even understand this side of heaven. But the words in Proverbs, the heart of a man plans his ways, but the Lord establishes his steps, is so true. So you do make plans. We love to help our clients make plans about their lives. What were they created to do? And to get a plan for it, to put habits in place, to get tools together, and all the things that it takes to accomplish their work and enjoy their lives. But ultimately, we know that it's God's plan, and we rest in that knowledge.